Welcome back to Liviero's studio. Today we're diving into a topic that's close to many hearts, creating sustainable decor for small interiors, all while keeping your budget intact. Can a tiny room really feel cozy, sustainable, and budget-friendly at the same time? Watch till the end to find out. Living sustainably doesn't mean you have to spend a fortune or sacrifice style, especially in compact spaces where every piece matters. In fact, small spaces are perfect for thoughtful, eco-friendly decorating because you focus more on quality and purpose. We'll explore practical, innovative, and wallet-friendly ideas to transform your small home into an eco-conscious haven. Let's break it down into easy segments that cover smart sourcing, multi-purpose furniture, natural materials, upcycling, and mindful styling. Segment 1: Smart Sourcing. Where and how to find sustainable pieces. The foundation of sustainable decorating is smart sourcing. When shopping on a budget, think beyond traditional retail. Start by exploring local thrift stores, flea markets, and online marketplaces where you can find high-quality secondhand furniture and decor items with character and history. Many vintage pieces are made from solid wood or natural fibers, so they're often more eco-friendly than cheap, mass-produced alternatives. Another great option is to look for brands that specialize in sustainably made or upcycled goods. Sometimes you can find these items at discounted rates during sales or clearance. Don't overlook swap groups and community exchanges as well, where people trade or give away furniture and accessories, saving money and reducing waste. Segment 2, multipurpose furniture and space-saving design. Small interiors demand furniture that works double duty, and choosing sustainable multi-purpose pieces maximizes your budget and reduces waste. Look for items like fold-out tables, storage ottomans, sofa beds, or stackable chairs that save space and cut down on clutter. Modular furniture made from natural materials, such as bamboo or reclaimed wood, is trending in 2025 because it can adapt as your needs change without needing replacement. Custom-built pieces can also be budget-friendly if you source reclaimed materials or repurpose existing ones. Try combining furniture with built-in storage, like beds with drawers underneath or coffee tables with shelves, to keep your space tidy while minimizing excess purchases. The key here is intentionality. Every piece should earn its place in your home by serving multiple functions. Segment 3, choosing natural and sustainable materials. Materials play a huge role in sustainable decor. For small spaces, focusing on natural, breathable, and renewable materials not only enhances aesthetics, but improves indoor air quality and comfort. Choose flooring options like bamboo or cork, which regenerate quickly and have low environmental impact. For textiles, go for organic cotton, linen, hemp, or wool. These materials are durable and age beautifully. Accessories like baskets, rugs, and lampshades made from rattan seagrass or jute add warmth and texture while being fully biodegradable. Using natural elements creates a calming atmosphere that supports well-being, perfect for cozy, small interiors. Segment 4: Upcycling and DIY Projects. Upcycling is not only budget-friendly but deeply sustainable and creative. Simple DIY projects can give new life to old furniture or decor pieces, making your space unique without the carbon footprint of buying new. For example, repainting or distressing a wooden chair, turning old crates into wall shelves, or sewing cushion covers from fabric scraps can add personal charm and reduce waste. Another fresh idea for 2025 is creating plant holders or room dividers from reclaimed wood or metal scraps, combining functionality with natural beauty. Even lighting can be upcycled by swapping out lampshades or rewiring vintage fixtures with energy-efficient bulbs. Don't underestimate the power of a little creativity. Small investments of time and effort can lead to big style returns that honor the planet and your budget. Segment 5: Mindful Styling, Minimalism with Purpose. Finally, sustainability is as much about mindset as it is about materials. The 2025 trend for small interiors leans toward mindful minimalism, surrounding yourself only with items that bring joy and serve a function. This means editing your belongings regularly and investing in pieces that are timeless rather than trendy. When styling, focus on quality over quantity. One handcrafted vase or a beautiful woven throw can make more impact than multiple mass-produced accessories. Bring in greenery with low-maintenance plants that improve air quality and bring nature indoors. Use natural light strategically and keep decor choices light and airy to create the illusion of space and calm. The most sustainable interior is one that stays loved and useful for years, so choose thoughtfully and cherish your environment. Thanks for joining us on this journey to create sustainable, small interior decor on a budget here at Liviero Studio. We truly appreciate you spending your time with us, exploring simple yet meaningful ways to design a space that feels comforting, intentional, and kind to the planet. Our hope is that each of these tips empowers you to embrace sustainability, not just as a design choice, but as a lifestyle, one that proves you don't need a large home or a large budget to make a beautiful impact. Whether it was the recycled decor ideas, the natural textures, or the multifunctional pieces that caught your attention, we'd love to know which segment inspired you the most. Share your thoughts in the comments so we can continue creating content that helps you build the eco-friendly home you've always imagined. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss new inspirations for mindful and sustainable living. Thank you again for being part of our community. Until the next video, stay green, stay cozy, and keep creating a home that reflects your values.